how can we verify land documents? I'll be teaching you practical steps today on how you can verify land documents. So when you want to verify land documents, the first thing you do is to request for the title of the land. There are different types of title of lands. It may be the Certificate of Occupancy, deed of assignment or deed of conveyancing, registered title, and even be the survey plan, any title that the land has, power of attorney or whatsoever it is. You verify it first of all. You will check the documents. That's the first step to it. The second step to verifying a land is to check the seller's identity. Now you go and check if the seller is the rightful person that is supposed to sell the land. You also verify if the land falls under company or family land. Then all the participants in the family or company must also assign to that land. 3, you also check if there is a power of attorney you need. That's if anybody is delegated to act on behalf of the seller. If the seller selling the property is the real owner, at this point you have to go to the Land Registry to verify it. The third step to verify a land document is to confirm the Land Registry. That's to go to the Land Registry and confirm the land itself. Confirm the state of the land, if it has any encumbrances, if it's under mortgage, if it has any caveats. So confirming the Land Registry is the basic third step to verifying the land. At this point, you should go to the government Land Registry to confirm the land itself. Now you ask, does the land have any encumbrance or have anything, or is it under any dispute? The fourth step is to verify the survey plan of the land. At this point, you're verifying the coordinates of the land from what you're being told on the paper and what is there. Does it match? Verifying the coordinates of the land, verifying the exact point the land starts and where the land stops. The fifth point, you visit the land physically. So most times in most of my inspections or land sales, I usually encourage physical inspection before going into any legal relations concerning land. So it's good to visit the land physically to check what you're seeing on paper. Is it actually what is on the land? Does the plot overlap? Are the coordinates correct? So this is the next step here, being the sixth step actually, is to check if there are disputes in the land. At this point, you have to do your due diligence very well. Go and ask questions. Go and inquire. Is this land in a dispute? Is there any court issue in the land? Is it under any family dispute? Is it under any court-related dispute? Some lands do have this in court trial, pasted by the side of it. So you need to be careful and check these things before going into any legal transactions concerning land. Sixth is to check the zoning laws. Some lands are for only residentials, some lands are for commercial, some lands are for industrials, and some land are for mixed. So residentials are things like your homes, personal houses, rented or where you live. Commercials are things like offices, plazas. Industrial are things like companies, warehouses. So some particular areas are kept restricted to a specific use, while some are for mixed uses. So before buying any land to do anything, check what I want to do, does it align with the zoning law of this particular place. Now the next step is to involve a professional. I always advise it will take nothing to involve a professional surveyor and a lawyer. A surveyor, a professional surveyor, or a licensed surveyor rather, a lawyer and a real estate consultant. Just these three people should be there when you're doing anything, so that you will be guided very, very properly. So it's better you just pay the little fee and engage these professionals than later you start having any disputes later. Next, you should make sure you're ensuring you're taking the right execution process. During the execution, the documents, is it a valid document? Is it a valid agreement? Make sure the steps and conditions stated in the agreement are what you actually bargain for. Then lastly is to now make the transfer. So I believe for this video I've actually guided an investor, a future property buyer, on how to verify land documents before making any transaction. See you in my next video. Thank you. Please like and subscribe and share this video to someone that will need it. Thank you.